In this video, you learn how to use AG Auto Clicker icon skin to customize the look of your AG Auto Clicker and improve your user efficiency. Now here, to enable it, first click on this icon skin here. Here, select the icon skin you want to use here. The ones that are locked are for premium, so upgrade the version. Now here you can see select anyone you like by clicking on it here. You can see how it look on the top side here. Now after selecting it, you can use it by going back like this and then click on get started here, and then you can watch video to start using it, or you can cancel it here and select anyone you like here, any feature you like based on what you want to use it for here. After selecting it, you click on get started here. You can see the icon skin here, and then use it on any application you want to use it on here. So try it and tell me how it works on the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Check the playlist to know how to use AG Octo Click based on tutorial.